Hook midnight to 0:15. 80% of businesses use AI tools to increase productivity. That's huge. AI is changing the game. Businesses are booming. You're about to learn the secrets. Get ready to boost your productivity. AI is the future, and it's here now. Set up 0:15 to 1 o'clock. AI is everywhere. From chatbots to content creation. The latest news is all about AI. ChatGPT is just the beginning. There are so many more tools out there. Tools that can change your business. Tools that can change your life. You're about to discover the top 5. These tools are dominating 2026. They're the best of the best. Get ready to learn about them. You'll be amazed at what they can do. Notion 1 to 230. Notion is an all-in-one workspace. It's like having a superpower. The most impressive feature? It's customizable. Imagine you need to organize your team. Instead of 5 hours, Notion does it in 30 minutes. That's a huge time saver. The price? Free or $10 a month. Entrepreneurs need this. It's a game changer. You can use it for notes, tasks, and projects. It's all in one place. No more switching between apps. Notion is the ultimate productivity tool. Jasper, 2:30 to 4 o'clock. Jasper is a content creation machine. It generates high-quality content fast. The most impressive feature? It's 5x faster than humans. Imagine you need to write a blog post. Instead of 2 hours, Jasper does it in 20 minutes. That's incredible. The price? $29 a month. Content creators need this. It's a huge time saver. You can use it for social media, blog posts, and more. Jasper is the ultimate content tool. It's like having a team of writers. But it's just one AI tool. Claude, 4 to 5:30. Claude is conversational AI. It's like having a conversation. The most impressive feature? It's 90% accurate. Imagine you need to answer customer questions. Instead of 1 hour, Claude does it in 10 minutes. That's a huge time saver. The price? Free trial. Businesses need this. It's a game changer. You can use it for customer support, sales, and more. Claude is the ultimate conversational tool. It's like having a team of experts. But it's just one AI tool. Perplexity, 5:30 to 6:30. Perplexity is an AI research assistant. It's like having a super smart friend. The most impressive feature? It has 10,000 sources. Imagine you need to research a topic. Instead of 3 hours, Perplexity does it in 20 minutes. That's amazing. The price? $10 a month. Researchers need this. It's a huge time saver. You can use it for research papers, articles, and more. Perplexity is the ultimate research tool. It's like having a team of researchers. But it's just one AI tool. Copy.ai, 6:30 to 7:30. Copy.ai is an AI writing assistant. It's like having a writing buddy. The most impressive feature? It has 110